Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to add your bank account or payment method to Zable. So in order to add your bank account or payment method to your Zable, you typically need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your account. Once logged in, you can go ahead and look for an option like settings or payment or account in the apps menu or navigation bar. This is where you'll usually find the option related to managing your payment method. And once you're in the appropriate section, you will go ahead and look for an option to add payment method. This might be labeled as add bank account, add credit card, debit card, or something similar. You would go ahead and follow the prompt to enter the necessary information for your bank account or payment method. This typically include details such as your account number, routing number for bank account, or card number, expiry date, and CVV for credit card or debit card. Then you could go ahead and verify your payment method and confirm and save your payment method. Once done, you could go ahead and review and manage your payment method at the same time. So that's how you could go ahead and add your bank account or payment method to Zable. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.